Thanks for taking a minute for Diffit today. What is Diffit? Diffit is an online tool that uses AI to create and quickly differentiate student-ready resources. Not only can educators receive differentiated resources, but they can also edit and translate those resources. Let's take a look. Let's start at diffit.me. If you've never used Diffit, create a free account. Sign up with Google. It's just easier. You have some options for how you want to create your resources. You can choose to type in a prompt or an idea in the Literally Anything tab. You can see if Diffit has the chapter book that your class is reading and create resources to go along with that book. You can link to an article or upload text for Diffit to use as a basis for its resources, or you can start with a vocabulary list. In this example, I'll create resources based on a podcast found on YouTube. Diffit will use the transcribed subtitles from this episode of the Integrate This podcast as the text. I copy and paste the link to the YouTube video. I select the grade level and the language, and then click Generate Resources. Now, I just have to wait for a minute or two while Diffit uses AI to organize the information into some resource templates. And voila! I now have editable resources I can use with students. The resources include a summary of the text, vocabulary, multiple choice questions, short answer questions, a think, pair, share activity, and a vocabulary choice board. Now I see this one. I would want to make that change to make sure that it is accurate. Now, when you're ready to save, in the free version, you will only be able to download the resources as a PDF. However, if you have the premium version, you have access to save these as Google Docs, slides, forms directly to your Google Classroom or as a Microsoft Word document. So check out Diffit as a way to create enrichment activities, remedial activities, or resources that your substitute teacher can use.